The Spectrum TV app lets you stream live TV, on-demand content, and DVR recordings directly on your TCL Smart TV without needing a cable box. The installation process is straightforward, but varies slightly depending on whether your TCL TV runs Android TV or Roku TV. Note that the app requires a stable internet connection. Spectrum recommends at least 25 Mbps and for HD streaming. Also, make sure your TCL TV model is from 2019 or later for optimal compatibility. For Android TV, ensure your TCL Smart TV is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Navigate to the Google Play Store, usually found under Apps on your home screen. Search for Spectrum TV and select the official Spectrum TV app. Click Install and wait for the download to complete. From your TCL Roku TV's home screen, press the Home button. Scroll down to Streaming Channels and select it. Use the search function to find Spectrum TV. Select the official Spectrum TV app and choose Add Channel. The app will then be installed on your Roku TV. Once the Spectrum TV app is installed, launch it from your TCL Smart TV's app menu. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Spectrum username and password. If you don't have an account, you can create one on the Spectrum website at spectrum.net. You may need to verify your account via SMS or email during the initial sign-in process. If you can't find the app in the App Store, ensure your TV is connected to the internet and that your TCL TV's software is up to date. You can check for updates in the TV's settings menu, usually under System or About. If the app is crashing or not loading content, try restarting your TV and your internet router. For persistent issues, Spectrum's support website offers real-time troubleshooting and contact information for customer service.